Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Panasonic LUMIX G9 II mirrorless camera launch, ISRO's successful test of polymer electrolyte membrane fuel cell, ED files fresh charge sheet in Mahadev app case, Tata Motors launches Punch EV in India, Front Desk terminates entire workforce via Google Meet call, Dell rebrands XPS series, introduces new models, NLRB files complain against SpaceX. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Panasonic introduces LUMIX G9 II mirrorless camera in India, part of its flagship G series segment. The camera features a 25.2 megapixel live MOS sensor, advanced engine and PDAF technology for precise autofocus, impressive burst shooting capability of 60 fps in AFC mode and 75 fps in AFS mode, supports C4K, 4K at 120/100p and FHD at 280p, ensuring superior video performance, enhanced with an 8-stop BIS for video stabilization during handheld shooting, enhanced monochrome photo style including Leica monochrome and real-time LUT for personalized color settings, priced at INR 1,74,990 for the body and INR 2,28,990 for the combo kit with Leica DG Vario L-Merit lens. Next we have ISRO successfully test a 100-watt class polymer electrolyte membrane fuel cell based power system FCPS on its orbital platform POEM-3. Test conducted on board PSLV C-58 aimed at evaluating the system's performance in space conditions and gathering data for future missions. System generates 180 watt of power from hydrogen and oxygen gases stored in high pressure vessels. Hydrogen fuel cells offer emission-free power, making them ideal for space missions and holding potential for societal use. Enforcement Directorate ED files a comprehensive 1,700 to 1,800 page charge sheet in the Mahadev app case, aims to secure the deportation or extradition of the two main promoters Ravi Uppal and Saurabh Chandrasekhar currently detained in Dubai. Implicates 5 individuals including Asim Das, Police Constable Bhim Singh Yadav and Executive Shubham Soni. Special PMLA court set to review the charge sheet on 10 January, marking a crucial juncture in the legal proceedings. Tata Motors officially launches Punch EV in India, offering 5 variants and 9 color options. Features a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, 360-degree surround camera, air purifier and single-pane electric sunroof. Offers 2 battery pack options, standard range and long range, with an anticipated minimum range of 300 km on a single charge. Prioritizes safety with 6 airbags as standard, challenging vehicles like Citroën EC3 with competitive pricing and robust features, priced between Rs 10 to Rs 13 lakh with the official pricing expected to be revealed later this month. US-based tech startup Front Desk terminates its entire 200-person workforce via a 2-minute Google Meet call. CEO Jesse De Pinto delivers the news during a virtual meeting, leaving employees stunned and uncertain about their future. Front Desk faces financial hurdles with its short-term apartment rentals business model, leading to escalating cost and volatile demand. Front Desk remains reticent, advising customers to seek alternative accommodations and await further communication. Dell rebrands its XP5 series, introducing new 14-inch and 16-inch models and rebranding the Plus designation. Inherit striking design elements from XPS 13 Plus, featuring a seamless glass wrist rest, hidden haptic touchpad and larger keycaps. XPS 14 and 16 offer additional ports and features including headphone jacks, 3 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports and a micro SD card slot. equipped with Intel's latest Core Ultra chips with NPUs for AI tasks, configurations with NVIDIA's RTX 40 series GPUs available for XPS 14 and 16, various display options including variable refresh rate, FHD plus screens, and optional 3K OLED screens. NLRB files a complaint consolidating 8 unfair labor practice charges against SpaceX, stem from SpaceX's alleged actions following the circulation of an open letter critical of CEO Elon Musk in June 2022. 9 employees terminated for their involvement in the letter, with accusations of SpaceX interrogating workers and inviting them to quit. SpaceX sues NLRB, claiming it is unconstitutionally structured and the action against the company is unlawful. Complaint marks the NLRB's first step towards litigating the allegations, seeking a settlement or a hearing scheduled for 5 March. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।